Hello, this is Mel with 5 Star Services, PWC. We got this 2003 LRV completed. I didn't even get any pictures of it before. But let's just say if you can imagine something that sat outside for 20 years uncovered underneath an oak tree and had a bird's nest and 3 chipmunk nests in it and the mice. Anyways, we put a turf kit on it. From Black Tip from SBT, repainted the bottom and the top, returfed the seats, or I mean reupholstered the seats with Black Tip SBT. This is the carbon fiber pattern. We use the high-end turf kit in there also, and we got a nice paint job on it and pretty nice looking ski now. Believe it or not, this jet ski only had 53 hours on it. We also rebuilt the engine and pulled the gas tank out. Actually, this is the stuff that came out of the gas tank right here. That came out of the gas tank, and so it would not never going to start. And we had to change the fuel pump in it. We completely stripped it down. I mean, we took everything off of this thing. Had the put a new engine in it down there, one of our engines. Power washed out the hull. I did some other things to it. Everything we could think of that was damaged, we fixed or repainted. It only had 53 hours on it. I can't believe it. But it starts straight up now, purrs like a kitten. It's late in the season here. It's actually just a couple days before February, so we're not going to be able to test ride it. But it starts up and runs real good. It seems like it's going to be fine. So anyways, there you go. So we're just going to throw some shrink wrap on it and get it out of here for the winter, and then it's going to be for sale next summer. Probably going to want about $6,000 for it. So anyways, custom 03 LRV Seadoo. There you go, 4-seater.